Hi, Suzan Valentin, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Alex is a property manager and he just rented out this beautiful house and it had a laundry chute, so I wanted to show it to you. Check this out. Isn't that cool? Okay, I can't help it. I have to try it out. Bombs away! Okay, so now let's go downstairs and check it out. So I don't know why they call this a lazy Susan. I find it highly offensive because I'm not lazy at all. I just love the mosaics that they put in the front entry. It just looks so classy. We all know that fireplaces are a focal point, but what do you think of double-sided fireplaces? This one looks amazing. Come check it out. This home is absolutely beautiful. Covered patios make a great addition because it keeps you away from the sun as well as the rain. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.